Hey guys, it is the 21st of December. We only have 3 more days till the series is done. And I thought we should try this one. Cast iron lock. Try circle from China. No key, but we do have a keyhole. I actually think these look quite nice. They look cool, but they are not always the best locks. But I have had a tri-circle that really took some time. It was a brass body though, but still. I just tried to put in the tension and it felt a little stiff. So before we start, because I forgot to do it before I started the video, I'm just putting in a little bit of oil. And rake the oil into the pans. Let's see if we can open it. If we can't, it's a blooper. If I don't really get anywhere, I will probably stop in 4.5 minutes. Then the video is about 5 minutes long. I think that's fine. But we'll see. If I feel like I get anywhere, I probably keep going a little bit. Or if I open it, awesome. But yeah. Haven't tried to pick it. Just had a rake and a tension in. That's why I actually didn't start raking, rocking and sipping this time. Okay. At 5 minutes we will try raking, rocking and sipping, just to do it a little different then. That way we also see if I can SP it first for once. That felt like I overset it. I think I did. Okay, we stopped it, so let's just take raking, rocking and sipping now. Yay! Okay, that went easier than I thought. I just needed some oil then. So now it goes on the tree. But let's see if I can do more about it. Rocking, where is the... there we go. Now it's probably just gonna open with everything. No? Okay. I just want to quickly throw the rake in again, just to see if it was lock. Okay, so raking with the worm definitely works on this one. Now back to SP. Give it a couple of minutes and see if we can get it open. But now the oil should be working nicely with all of the raking and rocking. Nothing really gives any feedback, but I kind of think pin 1 should be further up there. Changing to a medium hook, just because. funny how easy it opened by raking, but now it's just not happy when I use a hook. That didn't sound good, but it wasn't a pick, so that's good. Yeah, been free. Whew. I was a little worried that I wouldn't get this by SPPing, because the last tri-circle I talked about with a brass body, that took me somewhere between 1 and 2 years to pick. Oh yeah, that's right, I want to leave it open. It's padlock. Let's get it on the tree. And go all the way over there. Yeah, it starts to look good. Just 3 more. Alright, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you tomorrow. And, oh, by the way, remember the giveaway. So if you haven't entered and you still want to enter, go back and watch the first of the videos in this year's Christmas series, which is December 1st. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.